guys? Mike G with MDG Collections on hand. Today, December 3rd, 2017. So it's just going to be a short video on the short footage that I got. Met RT Life. He came out. You'll see him in some pretty quirky video scenes that we did. Saw my boy Mario again. He got his whole engine pretty much revamped. He has a whole new engine right now with his car that he has now. I'm looking at this car that he has now as the fastest Daytona in the world. So he has a 2017 Daytona like how I have 392, and he just supercharged the whole engine. So crazy car. I'm gonna do a review on his car next, and I'm just gonna find out as much as I can find out about what he did with the car from him. I'll sit in the passenger seat and just take a ride for this thing and try to get some video out the front from the passenger seat so we can see how fast this thing is. But it's supposed to be putting out 750 horsepower to the rear wheels, if I'm not mistaken. So 750, the horsepower is 750, so it's definitely faster than a Hellcat right now. So we're looking at this being the fastest Daytona. So I just can't wait to do a review on this guy's car. Also, Scat Pack Diablo was out there, rekindled with him from a few weeks ago when he came out to the meet that I had, so it was good seeing him. And also Nasty Shaker, met him today for the first time early on, and I'm gonna put his car and his social media on the video that I'm doing on YouTube, so stay tuned. know, right? Let's see if we can find Mario.
He's down over there.
He's down over there, okay. Mario! Okay, good. Yo, Mario. Mario, what's up, man?
Yeah,
what's up, man? What's up, Mario?
Of course, man.
Yeah, man. I want to see that.
man.
Good, man. Yeah, man. How you doing?
I know.
How's it
I
run?
just got it back 2 days ago.
Here and on the other side.
Yeah, there was no way you could. So I have that. I have a lot of things I can't use anymore. I spent so much money on those pieces. I can't even do anything with them.
Yeah, that's what you tell me when I see
the
him.
covers, you can't use them. Can't do anything.
Right, but this, yeah, it doesn't fit anymore. It doesn't work.
You need some new coil packs here. Like get some colored coil packs or something, you know?
Yeah, I saw some videos of it.
Yeah, but you know, I like it for this because you have the supercharger. I like it.
I want to see it, right?
Yeah, you want.
Yeah, you don't want to
see the.
buy it.
You want to see the fuel.
You want to see the. You want to see the rails. Yeah, the fuel rails. I mean. Hey, Mike. The only downside to this whole thing.
How you doing?
Nice
to meet you.
So he's one of my first. He's one of my first subscribers back in the day. So and then he watches your videos too, so he knows.
It's a blast.
Absolutely.
I'm gonna do a video on his car, world's fastest Daytona. Total, altogether, supercharged, 750.
This is outstanding.
750 horsepower.
Wow. It's obnoxious.
Right. It's really
That startup just knocked me on my ass.
Supercharged 392 Daytona 392 supercharged. So that's pretty much. Right there, he's the owner of the car. You guys probably can't hear him. I'm curious to see how this is going to come out on video, audio wise. Yo. me and RT Life out here doing our YouTube thing as usual. He's filming his own car. I'm filming me and him at the same time. There's my wife over there, sitting there doing absolutely nothing. And you already know, there he is, the man, the legend himself. We're out here just getting as much footage as we can possible, and we're gonna put this all together and make a decent video. He'll make one for him and I'll make one for me. Here's also a Daytona 392, how, as you guys know, the Hemi, the badging that I didn't get on mine. I got the decal delete, but this is how Daytona looks with the actual decals. So, oh yeah, but this is
Daytonas on this.
yeah. Oh yeah, but those are good, yeah.
Winter setup. Guys, my car came with the
275. Yeah, put the yeah, for the winter. I got you.
I'm gonna take off.
You gonna take off? Yeah,
I'll see you next weekend.
Yeah, I'm gonna be out of here too. Yeah, right behind you.
It was nice. Good seeing you. Yes. Awesome.
All right, guys. So hopefully you like the Cars and Coffee video with the music that I got playing in the background or on top of it to spice it up a little bit. The girls, the models out there, they were nice. I appreciate you guys looking out, taking pictures for everybody. Everybody who subscribed, any new subscribers that just came on to this journey with me, I appreciate you guys. So once again, until next time, ladies and gentlemen, that's gonna be a wrap.